How to change keyboard size on any Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to change the keyboard size on any Android, simply launch any of the typing apps over here. I'm going to select on Play Store and then tap on the search bar. So here you can see the keyboard that have pops down over here at the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on this four boxes icon over here at the bottom left corner, and then here you can see the option of resize over here. So just tap on resize and now you can just drag it to the top or down just to make sure that the size you want for your keyboard. So I'm going to just switch it to the top and then tap on check mark. And here you can see the size of the keyboard has changed. Now, if you want to make sure that your keyboard is sided to the left or to the right, you can simply tap on the four boxes as well and then tap on one-handed option. So you can select whichever side is you want according to your preferences by tapping on this arrow buttons at the left and right hand side. And if you want to just size it to the normal, then you can just switch it back and then tap on it and tap on resize and then just correct the size over here and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.